Tonight, Hugh Hefner, your mom before she met your dad, and a baby parakeet walk into a decommissioned Kellogg's cereal plant. What happens next? Then, a Florida man drinks an entire bottle of gin. Why he says he did it for Christ. And we'll show you the top 10 ways to save money while filing your taxes in 2020. The biggest reason could land you in jail.
Good evening. I'm Sir Ricky Bobby, and this is Booze News. February is over. It won't be back until next year. So for that, let's take a moment of silence. A new study from a group of dumbasses showing that drinking may not be good for you, but it still makes you feel good. A local Jacksonville bar is making tracks selling the good stuff out of a horse trailer. The Unbridled Bar caters all bartending needs at weddings, parties, and corporate events. For more details on how to book them, check out the link at the bottom of the screen. This just in, breaking news. Sir Ricky Bobby is on the wrong show. Crikey. Welcome back to Empires and Cocktails. This month we'll be celebrating a classic, a true treasure, the pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. All our drinks this month will be in honor of St. Patrick's Day and will be made from Irish whiskey. This week's cocktail is the Dublin Fashioned. But before we get going, ladies, we have a victory shot to do. This week is the Irishman. That truly is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Now that we've emblazoned ourselves with the luck of the Irish, let's begin. The first thing we want to do is add a bar spoon of simple syrup. And then we're going to add the syrup from the Maraschino cherry. And then we want to add a juice from a wedge slice of lemon. 2 dashes of orange bitters, 2 dashes of regular bitters, and 3 ounces of Irish whiskey. But first, let's have ourselves a shot. Run. We're going to add a maraschino cherry and a lemon wedge as a garnish. And that is the Dublin Fashioned. I got a letter from my accountant the other day. He signed it, "Very truly yours." What the hell? How can you be very truly anything? Truth is definitive. If you feel you have to specify that the claimed truth is actually very, then what the hell were all the facts you told me that didn't have the useless modifiers? I'm not even concerned that my accountant thinks it's okay to sign a client's paper in such a nonchalant way. That's a problem for another day. But very truly, the same problem I have with rate your experience surveys. To me, it's either satisfied, dissatisfied, or impartial. But they don't stop there. No, they add strongly satisfied. The problem is, if I don't choose the option with the useless adjective, I get an email asking why I don't like said shipping conglomerate's karaoke machine. Why do they assume my selection of satisfied means anything less than it literally, factually says? I'm satisfied. Boom! That's a definitive answer. If something is definitive, then it's a fact. If one feels they have to stress the fact that a fact is a fact, then I, for a fact, can accept any fact they state as being a fact. To play devil's advocate, I strongly doubt you.